If you've seen my channel before, you've probably also seen one of my latest and best pizza making videos, where I showed you how to perfect Neapolitan pizza dough. But in this video I'm going to show you how to stretch Neapolitan pizza dough using a professional method. So the method I use to start off stretching Neapolitan pizza dough is pretty basic and simple. You start by pressing the dough from the side closest to you down until you reach the end. Then you place one hand on the dough and the other you use to stretch the dough. Then without overstretching the dough, use both of your hands to pick up the dough and flip it over. And that's how you stretch Neapolitan pizza dough.